Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Doodlebob. Doodlebob from Spongebob. Doodlebob is that kind of weird, sketching version of Spongebob that he draws as a joke. So we are gonna go over how to draw that. We're gonna be using a magic marker. I'm gonna go step by step, and it should be extremely easy. Even if you're a beginner, you can follow along. But yeah, I would grab any kind of marker and follow along with me. If not, you can just watch. It's enjoyable to watch. It's only a few minutes. So give me your full attention and watch till the end of the video. It's only a few minutes, and then we'll get into this. So I'm going to start with
our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
And you can kind of wiggle your line a little bit. It's meant to be a little bit messy. That character is messy. Across at the bottom here, and you can make these lines a little bit crooked, and however you want to do that, it's fine. You don't need to, but it's amusing. Then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna put that straight line at the bottom as well. You can make that as crooked as you want. Pull down, just a backwards L. Give me what you want, guys. Comment. I reply to every single comment. So 2 things to remember. 1, if you want to get a cute ebook, I give you a free cute ebook in the description, because I get that question the most. Like, hey, how do I draw this in a cute style, a cute way? Take what you want, your favorite character, and draw it cute. I give you an ebook that shows you exactly how to do that. I have that in the description. Just click there, and then it's totally free. The second thing, I also have a list on my website of books that I recommend, that if you want to improve faster, if you really want your acceleration to go through the roof, get these books. And I tell you why I like each book and for what reason. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna put those 2 links at the top there, and I will see you guys in the next video. Talk to you later.